Hello students, I hope all of you are fine and healthy. Today I am Mrs. Tanushree, your science teacher of St. Paul's High School, present here with the second session of chapter 2, that is health and diseases. In this session we will discuss mainly about the non-infectious diseases. Now we will discuss about non-infectious diseases. Diseases which do not occur through infections and body contact are known as non-infectious diseases. In these non-infectious diseases, here we will discuss about cancer, then diabetes and heart diseases. So let's start with cancer. What is cancer? Normally, our body cells used to divide in a controlled way continuously for the growth, development and repair of the body. But when these cells lose control and starts to divide in an uncontrolled way, out of order, they form a lump of outrageous cells which is known as tumor. Now the question is, all tumors are cancerous? No. All tumors are not cancerous. Tumors can be of two types. One is called benign and another one is called malignant. Benign tumor does not spread and is harmless. Malignant tumor is cancerous. It spreads faster, invades the surrounding tissues to get nutrition and destroys them. So these are two types of cancers. Reasons of cancer: consumption of tobacco, gutka, alcoholism, smoking, lack of fiber content like that fruits and leafy vegetables in food, then fast food like pizzas, burger, lack of exercise, and these some chemicals, these can be the possible reason for cancer. Heredity can be also reason for cancer. Symptoms of cancer: chronic cough, hoarse voice, difficulty in swallowing, incurable scar, inflammation, lumps in the breast, then weight loss, sudden weight loss can be the symptoms of cancer. Types of cancer: there are three types. First, carcinomas. Here the cancer of prostate gland, pancreas, lungs, breast, colon, etc. Next is sarcomas. Sarcomas are the types of bone cancer, and then lymphomas and leukemia are the types of blood cancers. Diagnosis of cancer can be done by several processes like X-ray, then computed tomography scan, that is CT scan, or magnetic resonance imaging scan, that is MRI scan, etc. All these imaging techniques help to determine or to find out the shape, size and the location of tumor or multiple tumors inside the body. Different types of blood tests can be done to find out the different types of blood cancers. Then biopsy is a very well-known techniques that by which what we used to do, that doctors used to remove a small sample of tissue or tumor from the patient's body to determine the nature of cancer. So these are the different way of diagnosis of cancer. Oncologist, that is a doctor dealing with doctor who deals with the cancer, is called oncologist. Oncologist believes that early detection of cancer increases the survival rate. Treatment of cancer can be done in different ways, like surgery to remove the tumors from the body, then chemotherapy to destroy cancerous or the tumor cells using drugs, radiation therapy to destroy tumor cells using different types of radiations. Then it is robotic laparoscopy. In these, a doctor uses robotic arms which are very small in size to operate through a keyhole incision. That means a very small cut in the abdomen. Let's discuss cancer with some of the images. You can see here that is a picture of normal cell division, in which the cell used to divide in a very controlled way for the growth, development and repair. But when these cells lose control and start to divide in an uncontrolled way out of order, they form lumps of outrageous cells, which is tumor. Tumor can be of two types. One is malignant, another one is benign. Malignant is cancerous, benign is harmless and non-cancerous tumor. Organs which may get affected by cancer, it can be thyroid, lungs, breast, ovary, kidney, even it can be bone cancer or it can be blood cancer also. What are the causes of cancer? Heredity can be one of the causes. Others, UV radiation, chemicals, viruses, use of any kind or consumption of any kind of tobacco, here it is smoking given, then cell dividing. Also if there is lack of exercise or lack of fibrous food content in our diet, can be also the causes of cancer. Diagnosis of cancer. It can be physical examination, it can be X-ray also, MRI or CT scan which gives the images. Lumbar puncture used to find out the cancer of spinal central nervous system. That means it can be brain or spinal cord. Then hormone blood test, biopsy, etc. Treatment suggested by a cancer doctor. Cancer doctor is also called oncologist. Doctor who deals with cancer is called oncologist. So according to oncologist, the treatments are surgery to remove the cancerous part or the tumor from the body. Chemotherapy, targeted therapy. In this both therapy, doctor used to put the drug to kill the cancerous parts from the body. But the difference between chemotherapy and targeted therapy is that both the cases there is use of drugs, but in case of chemotherapy with the cancerous cells, some normal cells also gets destroyed. But in case of the targeted therapy, it is only the cancerous cells get destroyed. Radiation therapy used to give the radiation to the cancerous part. Immunotherapy, in this, make the immunity strong so that it can fight back against the diseases. Radiation therapy, that is that you can see that the radiation is given to the targeted area. Chemotherapy, it is the use of drugs to kill the cancerous cells. Robotic surgery, in these doctor used very small robotic arms for the surgery. These arms used to put inside the patient's body through a very small keyhole. So that is all about the cancer. Now we will discuss about another non-infectious disease, that is diabetes. Diabetes is very common nowadays in the world. India has the largest diabetes patient in the world. Before discussing about diabetes, we will know first about insulin. Why insulin? Because insulin plays a very important role in diabetes. Insulin is a type of hormone that produced by the beta cells of pancreas, and it controls the sugar glucose level in the blood. Now we will discuss about diabetes. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a group of diseases in which the body does not produce enough insulin or any insulin, or the body does not properly use the insulin which is already produced, or the body exhibits that both the body exhibits the combination of both. When any of these happens, the body is unable to get sugar from the blood into the cell, and it leads to high blood sugar level. Diabetes can be of three types mainly. Diabetes, that is type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, and gestational diabetes. In type 1 diabetes, the immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys the beta cells of the pancreas which produce that insulin, and the damage is permanent. In type 2 diabetes, the body doesn't use the insulin efficiently. Gestational diabetes occurs during pregnancy. And the reason is the production of insulin blocking hormone during pregnancy. It is a temporary phase. Symptoms of diabetes: frequent urination, then that is increased weight loss or obesity, then itchy skin, slow healing wounds, or excessive thirst or hunger. These all can be the symptoms of diabetes. Reasons for diabetes: heredity, it can be obesity, lack of physical exercise, mental stress. So these all can be the reason for diabetes. Treatment of diabetes: controlling blood sugar through a proper diet, oral medication, then insulin is the main treatment of diabetes. Exercise plays a very important role in controlling the diabetes. There are three types of diabetes: type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, gestational diabetes mellitus. These are the different types of diabetes. Type 1 diabetes, in these, pancreas produces less amount of insulin, and a muscle unable to use this glucose due to low insulin, and that is why due to this low insulin, increased amount of glucose can be seen in the blood. Type 2 diabetes, in these, pancreas produces sufficient amount of insulin, but the muscle unable to use glucose due to insulin resistance, and that is why increased amount of glucose can be seen in the bloodstream. Diabetes symptoms: feeling hungry, feeling thirsty, high blood sugar, then it is tingling limbs, means experience a feeling of prickling or prickling sensation, then blurry vision where the vision is not sharp, frequent urination, sudden body weight loss, or obesity. So these all can be the diabetes symptoms. Treatment for diabetes: it can be proper diet, or it can be medication, or it can be proper exercise, regular exercise. And also taking insulin is one of the treatment, also very common treatment also. That is all about diabetes. Assignments, question answers you will get in this video only.